Hello everyone, it's Bonnie. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about two key concepts in smart money trading, BOS and CHOCH. These are two very important because they help us to understand if the market will continue in the same direction or if it's about to reverse. So make sure you watch until the end because this can change the way you look at the chart. Let's start with BOS, which means break of a structure. A BOS happens when the market breaks a previous high or low in the same direction as the current trend. For example, in an uptrend, if price keeps making higher highs and then breaks the last high, that is a bullish BOS. In downtrend, if price breaks the last low, that is a bearish BOS. This is a very strong confirmation that the trend is still alive and it will probably continue. So, when you see BOS, you can expect the market to move further in that direction. Now, let's talk about CHOCH, which means change of character or change of structure. This one is different. A CHOCH happens when the market breaks structure in the opposite direction of the trend. For example, in an uptrend, instead of breaking a new high, the price breaks a previous low, that is a bearish CHOCH. In a downtrend, if price breaks a previous high, that is a bullish CHOCH. This is very important because CHOCH is the first signal that the market trend might be changing. It doesn't always mean that the trend will 100% reverse, but it tells us to be careful and actually to look for confirmation of a new direction. You know, we have a big difference between the smart money trap and CHOCH. Let's quickly compare BOS or BOS. Continuation of the current trend and CHOCH is possible reversal of the trend. It's really that simple, but when you apply it on a chart, you start to see the difference very clearly. So after that, let's imagine the market is in a clear uptrend. Price makes a higher high, that's a bullish BOS. And then after that, it pullbacks back, make a higher low, and again breaks the next high. Another BOS. This is healthy uptrend. But suddenly, instead of breaking the high, price breaks the last low. That is CHOCH. And this is where a smart money trader start to pay attention because it could be to move beginning of bearish move. The same logic applies to a downtrend, many BOS moves down. The same logic applies to a downtrend, many BOS moves down. And then one CHOCH upward can be the first sign of a bullish reversal. Why is this important? If you only look at indicators, you will always be late. But if you learn to spot BOS and CHOCH, you can read the market structure directly from price action. Smart money always follows structure, and these two concepts are the foundation. So to warm it up, BOS tells you that the trend is continuing. CHOCH tells you to watch out from a possible reversal. If you practice this on your chart, you'll start to see patterns much more clearly. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to cover more smart money concepts like order block, favorable gap, or liquidities, or the difference between INT and CHOCH.
Wow!
Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.